morning, guys. Wait, hold on. I can't see where all these people are. Good morning, guys. Welcome to another video. So right now, this is day 4 of Goa. Everyone was here. I don't know where they went. They said they'll be near the swimming pool, so that's where I'm heading over to right now. So yeah, they should be here, but they're not. Where are they? I don't see them. Okay, I think they're back up. We'll go back again. So yeah, guys, good morning. How you all doing? So the plan for today is what is the plan for today? Today's supposed to be a good day. We didn't go swimming because that was just gonna waste more time.
Today's the 4th day.
Yes, guys, today's the 4th day. Tomorrow we have a very long day planned, but today where are we going?
After the beach we might go to Panjim.
Yes.
And in Panjim we might have a really nice dinner at a really nice place.
Yes. Why did I get it? Dude, that ball came out of nowhere. This is what he's doing.
The camera, bro.
Yeah. These people can literally play football anywhere. Dude, is your car all washed up?
Yeah, I just cleaned it now.
We couldn't get our car washed because apparently they were having lunch and they couldn't do that. Yeah, the BMW is all dirty as well. This is dirty. My car is even worse. We've got almost like a similar color, so that's even worse. We've parked it right over there. Yeah, there's a little bit of walk till here. So yeah, this is where we've kind of parked it. It is so dirty. We had to get this washed, but we couldn't. You can see how dirty it is. Yeah, this definitely needs a wash. We came out in the morning to get this washed, but we couldn't actually get it done because the place that we were supposed to get it washed was closed, or they were gone for lunch because it was lunchtime. So we're gonna go now and try to get that washed. Guys, we've got 3 different parkings. One is over there, then in the middle, and then the Merc is over here. Guys, one thing let me show you. So what they've done is they've removed the emblem over here because apparently they don't trust people. So they've taken this off. You can see. Yeah, they've taken this off, and we're gonna go back home and then, you know, get that fixed.
So right outside our hotel, we saw a really cool Suzuki Interceptor. Now this looked really cool and clean, and the chrome on it was impeccable. A bright day with a lot of possibilities is one of the best vibes you'll ever get in Goa. While we headed over to Panjim, we were on the Mandavi Bridge. And the fact that these colors looked so amazing at night was one of the reasons we took that bridge. This also marked my first look outside the sunroof of the BMW. Yes, the first time. So as soon as we got a glimpse of all the casinos in the water, we realized that we had reached Panjim. The most amazing sight to look at was the Majestic, a casino on a cruise ship. Now that's infrastructure well done. There are so many casinos here. If we weren't lost on time and with enough permissions, I would definitely show you the place on the inside. But apparently they don't allow cameras inside.
So guys, we had dinner.
Yes. And
Today's early dinner, dude.
yeah, bro, actually.
Yep. Guys, we are at Casa Moderna. These people love this restaurant. I don't know why.
And now high.
Yeah, Umar is high. He's been drinking all day, so that's why he's high. So yeah, guys, we're here. We just had dinner, and Abu Bakr lost his laser light.
Yeah.
I mean, he kept losing it. He lost it. He found it. He lost it. He found it. Abu Bakr, move out of the way.
Finally.
And finally now it's with his mom. He doesn't want to give it to her.
Now keep in mind that these colors also periodically change. So that was one of the best sites to look at.
What are you having? What are you having?
Mango. Look at me, look at me, look at me. Look at me.
See, the holiday has been good so far, but we did have a plan to go right tomorrow scuba diving, but that hasn't happened
I'm
yet.
not so sure about that.
Yes, that hasn't happened yet. We're waiting for that to happen because that's one of the highlights that we were waiting
But
for.
we might go to jet ski and parasail.
Yes, that we have to do because I badly want to do that. Now since we're here, I want to do it.
Yes.
So that's the thing. Let's see. We just had Baskin Robbins. We had ice cream here.
I eat mango and
yeah.
now I eat.
So hopefully after this we're going to the beach, right?
Yeah.
Are we going?
Yeah, let's go.
I'm sleepy, dude. I'm going. I want to go. I'm so sleepy.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
See ya, guys.
So guys, I just came back to my room. I don't know what these people are doing. Hi, we're going tomorrow, 7:30 in the morning. So guys, we're ending off today's vlog over here. We are finishing it. Yes, Umar's in his PJs. I gotta go change now.
Yeah.
And guys, I really hope you guys are liking the Goa series that I'm putting together as these vlogs.
Yeah.
And yes, we have
many more.
Yes, we have 3 more days to go, and we have a lot of things planned.
Oh, yes.
And yeah, stick to the vlogs. Stay tuned. Let's see what we can do for you all.
Yes.
And right now, I'm gonna end the vlog here. We have to go sleep so that we get up early in the morning tomorrow. So yeah, like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for another epic vlog. Bye.